Alright, this video is going to be a bit more unpolished because I am still trying to figure out if I'm doing this right. Today we are going to be going through a bunch of different whip variations. So let's see, this, if I'm not mistaken, actually maybe in terms of posture first. So I'm doing underhand on my right side. So rope in both hands on the right side going underhand. And then facing forward propeller, so this is the underhand propeller. Rope is swinging from my right to my left in an underhand movement. So going from my right under to my left. So in terms of orientation, if I understand it correctly, we have, this is the high whip out. So it's kind of like a golf swing and you bring it over your shoulders, high whip out. And then this is the mid whip out. The difference with the mid whip is one hand, in this case the right hand, is going over and my left hand is coming under my armpit. And then low whip, both hands are going under like this. The movement for the low whip is kind of, I guess, like you're bringing both your hands down and then back around. Down and then just bring it back around. So these are all out. High whip out, high whip out, mid whip out, mid whip out, low whip out, low whip out. High, high, mid, low. And then this would be in, low whip in. If I'm doing it right, low whip in, mid whip in. So again with the mid whip in, left hand in this case now is over the shoulder, right hand under the armpits. Mid whip in, and then high whip in. It's more like a chopping motion, like I'm chopping wood, bringing it over my left side and doing now like a overhand swing towards my right. And why, again, why does it go from underhand to overhand? Because if you look over here, when I'm doing out, I'm going from this side, it's underhand, right? Underhand, underhand, towards that side. But then when I'm doing in movements, I'm kind of bringing it towards my right, and then it's overhand here. So let's try to get all of those again. Low in, mid in, high in, high out, mid out, low out, low out, low out, low in, low out, low in. I think the one I'm really struggled with is, I'm not sure if my low in is right. Some people have said my low in is still kind of like a high in.